The tree, it has light! Not many lights. I sort of ran out near the top and I've realised there's just a ton of slack at the bottom. This definitely isn't my best tree, I must say. Last year's was definitely better, but oh well. Not every Christmas can be the best Christmas, can it? Because then they're all equally bad. That's my little update. And now it's time for the Christmas countdown. Day number 4. Only 20 days remaining. Whew, they're going fast. No, they're really not. But look, here's 20. There's 24. We're on day 4. Don't know why I'm pointing that. Getting a bit ahead of myself here. So, let's point the old camera down right there. Day number 4 is a little box. So, this is going to be, well, I don't know what this is going to be. Not a car, obviously. It is a, oh! This must, I've dropped it. Oh no! This must be a snowplow type thing. It's aha! There you go, look, I like that. I mean, it does stop the front wheels moving. And the car's like, ree, ree, when you reverse. So, there we are. That's kind of cool, but also kind of weird. I mean, could we do some weird stuff with this? Now we have a rear ram bar for when someone crashes into you. That happens, I don't know. I mean, it's pretty cool. I do like the way that they kind of clip on. Do they work on all? Yeah, they seem to work on most. Bang. So yeah, that's pretty cool. We've now got a snowplow item for the car, which seems to keep trying to go underneath the car. That was exciting, I think.